Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and also check my Hindi channels. I have linked everything in the description box. If you want to reach out to me for personal readings which are not free, you can do so. I have also given every details in the description box. So yeah, let's see what's going on with Capricorns. This is going to be a reading for Capricorn. This is going to be a general love reading for the month of December specifically. Okay, so let's see what's happening with Capricorns in their love life in the month of December. Let's see what's happening for Capricorns in their love life. What's happening for Capricorn? How are they feeling right now? How is the person feeling? What are they going through? Okay, let's see. We will start with the oracles. First is the spread your wings. So Capricorn, quite possible you are not ready. You are not ready to communicate, to accept, to embrace whatever blessings are coming your way. I think something beautiful is coming your way and you need to be ready for it. It might be about your career, about your health, about your personal life, about your professional life, anything it can be. You just have to be ready. I am seeing you blocked up, not ready, not seeing what good is coming up for you. Okay, so spread your wing to embrace beautiful things, beautiful blessings that are coming your way. I think someone might be wanting to communicate to you, to make things right with you, but you are not ready. You are not ready. Maybe you're not trusting. The bottom of the deck is challenging times. You are definitely going through a very challenging time right now. Okay, which is not providing you the kind of faith in this connection. Okay, so this challenging time will pass. You just need to spread your wings to trust the person you're dealing with. It might be you or your partner. Okay, so take it as it resonates. I'm definitely seeing someone is not trusting the process, just seeing all the negativities that are going around. Okay, so you need to really trust the person, the situation, the relationship. Everything is just happening for the best, but you are not trusting it. Okay, what more do we have for Capricorns in their love life? What do we have for Capricorns in their love life? Broaden your mindset, Capricorn. I think you are blocking the energies coming up. Okay, so don't do that. Don't do that. What do we have for Capricorns? Okay, we have two cards: detach and share the love. I think this is your energy. You are detaching from someone. You are wanting to be free. You are wanting to not to connect with anyone. Maybe you don't trust anyone. Okay, you are detaching yourself, or the person you are dealing with is detaching themselves from the situation. So what is missing here is love, the unconditional love once you shared with this person. Okay, you just need to share. If they are giving you, you need to receive it. If they are wanting love from you, you need to share your love. Okay, so that is what's coming up. You are blocking all the good energies that are coming your way, all the blessings. Okay, don't block yourself from the person, from the situation. Nothing good is about going to come from that. You need to focus on the good things. Okay, if someone happened in the past, it doesn't mean it is going to happen again and again in the future. Okay, just be alert, but don't misguide yourself. Okay, seek the truth. This is the bottom of the deck. Bottom of the deck is seek the truth. Okay, maybe you are not trusting this person, maybe you are misinformed about them or the situation, or the person you're dealing is misinformed or had misconceptions about this connection. So seek the truth, find out the truth of this connection, of the person, of the situation, and then react. Maybe you are just blocking your energies for nothing. Okay, or it might be your person. They need to seek the truth. Okay, so your relationship is something very deep, very intense, very beautiful. You just need to be opening your eyes to the situation. Okay, be open to the situation. What more do we have for Capricorns in the month of December? Choose your battles. I told you, this is definitely a challenging time for both of you. If you're not together, if you're not talking, if you're not in good terms, This is a challenging time. This is a challenging time. This is your battle. So you need to choose your way, which way to go. Okay, you have options. Maybe you have choices to come out of this situation. So choose your battles wisely. Okay, you just don't need to keep going round and round and round in the same situation with the same person. If you want to release it. If you want to choose it. Okay, and the bottom of the deck here is change your focus. I told you, you are focusing on something that is not necessary, that is not important, that is not true. Okay, maybe you need to seek the truth. Okay, or your person has their focus set on somewhere else. Okay, they need to focus, they need to change their perception, or it is you who needs to change the focus. Maybe you're focusing somewhere else. Okay, you need to choose your battles wisely. You need to find solution in the problem, not run away from the problems. Okay, so that is what's happening here, Capricorn. Let's see from the tarot what comes up for you. I'm using here Magical Tarot today. Let's see what is happening for Capricorns in the month of December. What's happening for Capricorn in the month of December? So bottom of the deck is Six of Cups. You're definitely, see, this is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. You're definitely not forgotten your loved ones. Maybe they have not forgotten you. Maybe they want to come back to you. Okay, but you're not taking them back. You are burdening yourself with the past experiences, with the past, whatever happened in the past. You're just seeing at the bad things. Okay, you're at the negative things that has happened, that broke your heart, that left you with this burden. But you need to see how beautiful time you have spent together. Maybe in December, this is you or your person. Switch the roles as necessary. Someone is definitely reminiscing about the old days. What happened, how it happened, why it happened. Okay, how things were beautiful. Okay, someone might also want to say sorry to you, communicate to you. Okay, you just need to be ready. Okay, let's see what's coming up for Capricorns in the month of December in their love life. What's coming up for Capricorns in their love life? Okay, we have two cards. Definitely, either you need to take that first step, that first action towards someone, because you are passionate. This is a Aries, Leo, Sag energy. This is very, very this queen is either waiting for someone to take to respond to them. Okay, or it is waiting, she is waiting for someone to come to her, for this offer to come to her. Okay, so either this is you, or either this is your person who will restart, who will want to restart. Passion will be ignited. Someone will reach out to you. Okay, or you will reach out to someone, and this will be a very, very, very clear decision, very, very clear communication coming around. And the bottom of the deck here is the Devil, your own card. See, you both are intensely in love with each other. Okay, maybe you're going through a karmic situation right now. Things are not quite going well. Okay, you're taking a lot of time, or they are taking a lot of time. So what's happening here is maybe someone is intimidated by the kind of love, like you or your person are definitely intimidated by the other person. Maybe they love too much, or maybe they love too less. Okay, so that's what's happening here. You need to reignite the passion within you. You have that. What is more coming up for Capricorns? The Chariot. This is about victory. This is about moving forward. This is about clarity. This is about wanting to take things to the next level. This is Cancer energy. Maybe you're dealing with a Cancer. Okay, see, what's happening here is you want victory. Yeah, you want victory in this situation. You want to take stand, take action, take the lead, but you're not taking it. So in the month of December, there needs to be movement, and if you're not doing it from your side, or your person is not doing it, universe will intervene. Okay, the bottom of the deck is Death. Definitely something needs to change. Maybe your focus, maybe your perception about the situation, everything is just going to shift. There is going to shift in the energies. Okay, it can be different for different people out there, because many people are watching this video. So definitely some new beginnings, shifts in the energies, shift in the move. There is going to be a lot of movement. Be ready for it. You want it or not, there is going to be a lot of movement in your situation. What's coming up for Capricorns? What's coming up for Capricorns in the month of December? Okay, there are too many cards. I don't want that many cards. What is coming up for Capricorns? Okay. Wow, looking forward. This is also Aries, Leo, Sag energy. See, I see a lot of passion here. Okay, a lot of passion, wanting to begin something with someone. Okay, and I see someone or you. This might be your energy. This might be your person's energy. Looking forward, looking to have success in a situation. Okay. Maybe wanting to reconnect to someone, maybe wanting to hear from someone. So this is either you or your person who is very hopeful about the situation, very positive. And Three of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck, wanting to work on the situation. This is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. See, you want to work on situation, but either your person wants to work on the situation but you are not responding, or you want to work on a situation and your person is not responding. It might take up to 3 weeks or the last week, okay, of December. But definitely someone, you are going to hear from someone, or if it was you who was not responding to your person, you will start responding to your person and you will start working together as a team, okay, to make things right with the other one. See, Ace of Cups coming up at the bottom of the deck. Definitely a brand new emotional offer is coming your way. Okay, you just need to change your focus. You just need to recognize this. Okay, you just need to have your eyes set on the person. Someone might also be spying on you, or you might be spying on to the other person, or both of you are spying on each other. See, both of you are very passionate and curious about each other. Okay, maybe you're dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and you want communication, or you will receive communication. Unexpected communication via internet. Okay, this might be via internet or maybe a call. So this will be unexpected. Okay, let's see what's coming up more for Capricorns. What's coming up for Capricorns in the month of December, going towards January? Wow. See, this is Fool energy. This is the first card in the deck. This is about new beginnings, taking risks, wanting to take the risk. Either it is you or your person. There is a fresh, passionate energy I'm seeing here. Okay, so see towards what's good, not towards what has happened, the past. Don't regret over it. Okay, you need to trust. Okay, you need to trust. Maybe there are a lot of trust issues, and that is causing the whole nuisance here. Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Maybe someone lied to you, or maybe you lied to someone else, or maybe you are lying yourself, or to yourself about the situation. You show as if you don't care. For the other person, you seem as if, like, whoever you're dealing with, this person sees you as someone who doesn't care, who is definitely suffering, okay, but doesn't care to take the action, or maybe don't trust them. Okay, don't do that. Okay, what advice do we have from the tarot for Capricorns? What advice do we have from the tarot for Capricorns? Wow, I see someone definitely has a lot of unclarity about their feelings. It might be you, because it is coming up for you. Definitely you have a lot of confusion going around. Sometimes you want this person, sometimes you don't want this person. So please shift your focus, make everything clear. Don't overburden yourself, don't frustrate yourself, don't cry, don't stress over. Okay, and please, as I told you, as the first card itself, spread your wings. I think you're blocking your energies with this Nine of Wands. You or your person is blocking your energies, their energies, or you are blocking your energies. You need to open up, spread your wings, open up. Okay, it is not going to help being in such a state of confusion. What more advice do we have for Capricorns? It is not an ending. Don't hurt yourself. Okay, you are suffering in silence. Maybe you're suffering in silence, or your person is suffering in silence. This relationship, this separation is hurting them. Okay, they did not expect it out of you. This is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Page of Wands. Look at the brighter side of the picture. Okay, don't cry, don't hesitate, don't be negative in this situation. It will give you hurt. Okay, or your person. What more advice do we have? See, if you want to make a relationship work, there needs to be efforts, dedicated efforts from both the sides. Okay, what more advice do we have for Capricorns? Okay, maybe you feel abandoned, maybe you feel as if this person left you. See, Capricorn, a lot of I'm sensing this energy of abandonment, of feeling left out in the cold, feeling as if the other person doesn't care. Either you are feeling this or your person is feeling this. Okay, don't let this person go. I'm seeing you letting someone go when you love them, when this is the only person who loves you than anyone else. Okay, see, maybe because of trust issues, you left them because of trust issues, or they left you because of trust issues, or maybe a lot of misunderstandings, as Seven of Cups also came up. So don't trust anyone except this person. Okay, maybe they are not lying, maybe they are still waiting for you, maybe they are also hurt. Okay, it might be you or your other person. So don't worry about the roles. You can switch the roles. Let's see what advice does come up for you. We will pull 3 cards from Moonology. Let's see what advice does come up for Capricorns. What advice for Capricorns in this situation? I want 2 more cards. 1 more card. 1 more card for Capricorns. 1 more card for Capricorns. Please. 1 more card for Capricorns. And the bottom of the deck is balance, spirituality and practically. I think you are being too practical or too rational, or not at all. So you need to have a balance of spirituality and practicality at the moment. Maybe you're dealing with a moon in Pisces. Okay, let's see what cards do we have as an advice for you. Luck is on your side, so don't worry. Your relationship is protected, it's guided, it's on the right path. You just need to trust the process. Okay, just luck is on your side. Don't worry, everything will be all right. Your commitment is being tested. So maybe your commitment is being tested for this person. Maybe you did not have faith in the connection, okay, or you did not have faith in this person. You and your loved ones are safe. I told you, you and your loved ones are safe. Luck is at your side. Don't worry. Okay, let's see what comes up from the handwritten messages for Capricorns. These are my handwritten messages. Let's have 5 cards from them. Okay, we already have 3. I want 2 more for Capricorn. Okay, first one we have is forgiveness. I told you, either you need to forgive something. Don't look at the past, think rationally, or you might receive forgiveness, asking for forgiveness from someone. Okay, sharing, you need to communicate, you need to share with this person, or someone will be sharing their feelings with you. Commitment, I told you, your commitment is being tested. It is first being told, your commitment is being tested. Okay, so yeah, text or calls. I told you there needs to be communication between you. Communication is the only issue here. I don't see you talking to each other, and that is the whole issue. Okay, so text and call, either you're going to receive from this person, or they are going to receive, or they are expecting it from you. New beginnings, definitely. I told you, new beginnings are on the way. So trust the process, don't hesitate, don't fear, don't doubt the connection. Okay, so this was it for Capricorns. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.